Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set up local pickup on Shopify. First, go to Shopify and make sure you log it into your store. Now, click on Settings from the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Then, click on Shipping and Delivery from the Settings menu. Now, scroll down the local pickup location and click on Setup next to Pickup in Store. Here, you'll see a list of your store locations. Click on the location where you want to enable pickup. Now, turn the toggle on to activate local pickup for that location. Next, choose the order processing time. This is the time it takes for you to prepare the order for pickup. It will be shown to customers during checkout. You can also check the box to limit pickup to a specific location, for example, just your UK store. Once everything is set, scroll down and click Save from the bottom right. That's it, local pickup is now enabled for your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.